Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a super basic and easy way of adjusting a float on a carburetor. I've had some good success doing it this way, so I thought I'd share. So let's get into the video. Okay, here's the carburetor I'm going to be working on today. You can see the fuel inlet is on the top. Some carburetors have a fuel inlet on the bottom and it comes through the bowl. This video won't be really helpful if you have that type of carburetor, but if you have one like this one, I have a little trick that should make it easy to adjust your float. So stay tuned. I'm going to get this bowl off and we'll take a look at it. Okay, I got all the screws out. Let's take a look at this float. It's always good to really look at it to make sure you know how it goes in, so that when you go to make adjustments on it, you don't bend the tab the wrong way. So I'm going to get that pin pulled out and then we'll take a better look at it. Here's a close-up of the float. You can see there's a little tab right there. That's what you're going to be bending to make an adjustment to the float. If you bend that up, you're going to be letting less fuel in, and if you bend it down, you're going to allow more fuel to come into the carburetor. So this is how I check to make sure my float's working properly. I attach a small little bit of fuel line up at the top of the carburetor, and then I blow through it while I'm pushing the float up, and as I push it up, there shouldn't be any air getting into the carburetor, and as I let it down, you should hear air blowing through. So I'm gonna let you guys listen to hear what it sounds like. So as you guys could hear, this float's working how it should. You want it so that when the float rises all the way up, no fuel should be coming into the bowl, and this is just a super easy way to check to make sure it's functioning as it should be. And if it's not, you just got to make a small adjustment to that tab on the float. So hopefully this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.